Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you this plugin called Cursor Fade for OBS. So often when we record tutorials or courses, we run into this issue where if I'm explaining something in the region where I have my webcam, I usually have to manually disable it or have like a switch for that. But what this does is you can specify an area, so it starts from about 78% of the screen. So if I go close, it would do that, and the same goes for the minimum Y and maximum Y. So it's taking this particular area. If I say this is 50, so it starts fading from the middle of the screen. So that's that. I guess this was 78. I'll just keep it back. And you can specify the inside opacity like to be maybe like 0.5, and it will fade only by that much. So that's pretty good. You can have different fade in values. So if I have like fade in of 2, it slowly fades in. There is easing that it automatically added, but I don't think that will be of much use. So the way it works is basically it's taking a filter. So let's say this is my filter. It's called color correction _1, and it's taking the opacity value here and fading that. So that's basically how it works. So I have the GitHub link in the description, so you can just download it and use it for making your tutorials and stuff. I hope you have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video.